What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the Sparking Zero, how to shake off brainwashing in Vegeta's wicked heart. So let's dive right into the video. So the episode battle mode in Dragon Ball Sparking Zeros allow a player to relive some of the most memorable moments from the popular anime and manga series from a number of different perspectives. Every now and again, though, they will also be given the opportunity to diverge from the main Dragon Ball timeline, as is the case with the Vegeta Wicked Heart. Rather than succumb to Babidi's mind control, players will be able to shake off to the brainwash, which results in never before seen what-if scenario playing out. However, for Dragon Ball Sparking Zero players to be given the option to shake off the brainwashing in Vegeta's Wicked Heart, they will first need to complete a hidden objective in one of the episodes that came before it. So here you guys can see that how you can do it. How to shake off brainwash in Vegeta's Wicked Heart. So the current difficulty is difficulty reduction of reduce Trunks' health. Reduce Trunks' health without losing too much of your own. Don't take too much time or get hit by too many attacks. So this is what you need to do to be given the option to shake off the brainwashing in the Vegeta's Wicked Heart. Players will need to complete their preparing for the World's Tournament episode on the default settings while taking minimal damage. Unlike other alternative objectives in the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero, this one isn't made obvious on the episode's select screen, as preparing for the World Tournament does not have the green crossroads symbol next to it like most of the other episodes with secondary objective do have. The best strategy for beating Trunks quickly while taking minimal damage is to keep one distance. Players should start the episode with a throw and a smash combo to give them the time to charge Kai and spanking mode. From here, they should hit Trunks with the barrage of the Kai Blast and then use the Cosmic Circle just as Sparking mode is about to end. If done correctly, Vegeta will bring the training to an end and Prepare will share a brief moment in the base form. After that, the players will have the option to shake off the brainwashing in Vegeta's Wicked Heart. So that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful.